Triumph is currently testing an exciting new variant of the Scrambler 400X, now featuring cross-spoke rims. This upgrade, which could be available as an accessory option, promises to enhance the bike's versatility by combining the ruggedness of wire-spoke wheels with the convenience of tubeless tires. It's possible that the cross-spoke wheels could also be offered to existing Scrambler 400X owners as a retrofit option. Alongside this, Triumph is also developing a new cafe racer model based on the Speed 400, speculated to be named the Thruxton 400. The two bikes have been spotted together in recent spy shots, with the cafe racer nearing production-ready form. Key design features of the Thruxton 400 include a retro-inspired bikini fairing, a round headlamp, and a curved windscreen, all contributing to its classic cafe racer aesthetic. Other distinctive elements of the Thruxton 400 include bar end mirrors, clip-on handlebars, and a sculpted fuel tank. The single-piece seat and unique tail section design differentiate it from the Speed 400, further solidifying its cafe racer identity. The riding posture on the Thruxton 400 strikes a balance between traditional cafe racer ergonomics and sport touring comfort. While the clip-on handlebars position the rider in a slightly forward-leaning stance, the foot pegs are positioned just rearward enough to offer a comfortable yet controlled ride. This design makes the Thruxton 400 ideal for both spirited, everyday riding and longer highway journeys. Performance-wise, both the Scrambler 400X and Thruxton 400 will share the same 399cc, liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine generates 40 PS and 37.5 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox for smooth shifting. The bikes are equipped with USD forks at the front and a gas monoshock at the rear. Braking duties are handled by a 300mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc, with dual-channel ABS as standard. In terms of instrumentation, both bikes are likely to feature an analog speedometer with a multifunction LCD screen, similar to the setup found on the Speed 400. The Thruxton 400 is expected to fill the gap between the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X, offering a unique option for enthusiasts looking for a stylish and versatile cafe racer.